This is Paul. Yeah. hmm You know, not that long ago, yes, I was making videos in this room. Yeah. In fact, I might read the Bible. Now, there's a Constitution. Yeah. hmm And somebody said, well, we don't have to enforce your rights. Now, a long time ago, I rented this room. Yeah. And I paid a deposit. hmm And within that, the rent was being paid, and then somebody said that something happened. Yeah. And the utilities were discontinued. Right. And I've been living here ever since. Yes. In freezing cold weather every night. Now, just so I understand, yeah. Do you remember this junior encyclopedia? Yeah. hmm The powers of Congress. Let's see here. Protections of congressmen. Ooch, conjunctions. Yeah. And then conservation. Conservation. Constitution. Yes. Now, I put some, let's see here, some videos on 4 different YouTube accounts. Yeah. The P. Budnick 40, the P. Budnick 41, the P. Budnick 444, and the P. Budnick 777. Yeah. And then I emailed you, yes, links to that, and you said, well, we don't have to go in the drives right now. Now, there was this thought, yes, that this Constitution is being violated. Yeah. Now, I know as you think about the various articles of the Constitution, the amendments of it, yeah. Congress shall make no law respecting establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Yeah. But there's a virus. Right now! There's a virus. Now, Article number 4, yes. Section number 1, full faith and credit shall be given to each state to the public acts, records, and judicial proceedings of every other state. Yeah. And that Congress may, by general laws, prescribe the manner in which such acts, yes, records, and proceedings shall be proved and the effect thereof. Yeah. Now, this morning I showed you the sunlight on the embossing of the seal of the Superior Court clerk. Right. And then I showed you forgeries. And I thought for sure that when I'm asking these $750,000 questions, yes, that this article means that you have to remove, yeah, the protection order and the dissolution of marriage. Right. But you decided that since there's a virus, that we suspend the Constitution and all of the articles right now and each of the amendments. Now, section number 2, the citizens of each state shall be entitled to all privileges and immunities, yeah, of the citizens in the several states. Now, there's what's known as treason, felony, or other crime. Now, did we suspend the extradition conditions of the Constitution? Yeah. Meaning if you're arrested here for a crime that you committed there, yeah, do you have to keep them in your own state now? Ouch! Now, no person held to service or labor in one state and the laws thereof escaping into another shall, in consequence of any laws or regulations, yeah, therein be discharged from such service or labor, but shall be delivered up on the claim of the party whom such service or labor may be due. Section number 3, new states may be amended by the Congress of the Union, yeah, but no new state shall be formed or erected within the jurisdiction of the other state, nor any state be formed by the jurisdiction of 2 or more states, yeah, or parts of states without the consent of the legislatures of the states concerning as well as of the Congress. Right. Now, the Congress, right, shall have power to dispose of and make all needful rules and regulations respecting the territory or other property belonging to the United States, and nothing in this Constitution shall be construed, yeah, as to prejudice any claims of the United States or any particular state. Then there's Section 4. The United States shall guarantee in every state in this Union a republican form of government, and shall protect each of them against invasion, and on application of the legislature, or of the executive, known as governor, against domestic violence. Now, Article number 4, section 1 through 4. You're absolutely sure, yes, that you have no obligation to enforce the laws, and that the executive, yes, if the legislature cannot be convened, yeah. Now, maybe the legislature was, yes, maybe everybody in the Washington state legislature right now completely agreed with the executive decision of governors, yes, in deciding to shut down businesses, yes. Now, I'm kind of thinking that there's some domestic violence going on. and as much as you say, well, we have to guarantee in every state of the union a Republican form of government, yes. For the idiots right now that have the evidence, right, of a crime, and you say, well, we don't have to enforce the laws. I have the right to sue you. I have the right to sue you for violating Amendment number 1. Yeah. Amendment number 2. Amendment number 3. Amendment number 4. Amendment number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right! Now, for all of you that are absolutely sure that your obstructions of me is having my rights enforced, is guarantees, is that your use of executive authority could not be used against you. Right now, I can put the governor in prison for using executive authority, yes, without the enforcement of the laws. Yes. Now, when I really think of obstruction of justice, yes, he does. When I think of the obstructing of the administration of the government, yes. When I think of the use of forgeries and the Superior Court Clerk embossed seal, yes, I'm going to get an attorney. Do you understand that? Yes. And then as soon as that happens, I'm going to sue you. Yes. And for every executive decision that you made,